Tired of complicated payment gateways and losing potential customers? Let's ditch the frustration and unlock seamless online payments by integrating Razorpay into your Odoo platform. First, log into your Odoo instance and navigate to the Apps module. This is where we'll find and install the Razorpay connector. In the search bar, type Razorpay. You should see the Razorpay Payment Acquirer module. Make sure it's the official module to ensure compatibility and security. Click on the Install button. Odoo will handle the installation process, which may take a few moments depending on your server speed. Give it time to complete. And once it does, let's move to the configuration phase. Now go to Invoicing and navigate to Configuration. Then click on Payment Acquirers. You will find Razorpay listed among the available payment acquirers. Click on Razorpay to configure it. You'll need your Razorpay key ID and key secret. You can find these in your Razorpay dashboard under API keys. Make sure to use your live keys for production and test keys for testing. Enable the acquirer by checking the enabled box. Select the appropriate payment journal, which should be dedicated to Razorpay transactions. Also, the India field would have to be enabled if your business operates in India. Finally, go to your website and test the payment process. Add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. You should now see Razorpay as a payment option. Select it and complete the transaction to ensure everything is working correctly.